Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add call to action to your WordPress page or post using Beaver Builder. Okay, so first thing, we will go to all pages and choose a page or post where we wish to add that call to action. Okay, I have created one sandbox page where I can show you how to add call to action. Okay, so now that page is open, let's launch Beaver Builder. Now that it is loaded, we have to go for modules on the top right. Okay, when you click on this plus sign, it will load the modules. Now let's go for modules from actions. So go for call to action and drop it on page. Okay, now here by default you have something like this text and button. So let's edit this with contain like. Okay, can also edit the font. Okay, then you can add something like subscribe by clicking the button. Okay, and then you can also add some sort of link to this click here. Usually you can navigate to some specific URL if you want. Okay, so we can edit the button, we can add some URL to this button and also edit text color, and then we will also add button background color. Okay, then hover color if you want. Okay, so let's try to find one that works. Okay, save it. Here you see the changes immediately reflected. You can click done, then publish, and here you see your call to action, right? And if you click on that, it should take you to the URL that you specified. Okay, so you can create blocks like these on your landing page or posts.